The NSK ELA-B014CFT-03, or AMAT number 0190-19865, is a dual-axis servo used in an AMAT or applied materials tool, specifically for a robot that moves wafers through the system. This motor control was fully rebuilt, and as shown in the video, we test each axis individually as they are separate and function independently. This ELA driver is a member of the newer NSK drivers used with the Megatorque motors, and as with the older series, we are able to provide full support for them. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.